Are you looking for a spacious home? Are you looking for golf? Are you looking for luxury? Are you looking for killer views? Well, my newest listing in the Anthem Country Club has all of those things. Not only has the homeowner capitalized on the gorgeous expansive views, they have also remodeled the interior with brand new luxury vinyl plank, and the entire kitchen has new cabinetry throughout and new countertops. Just absolutely gorgeous. And the icing on the cake for this home is the private casita. It has its own entrance. There's also a full bathroom. This space is perfect for an office, or you could actually have your guests or in-laws or anybody stay in it. Hey, if you are interested in homes like this, follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or contact me for a private showing.